Hey everybody, this is Mr. Wicker. Today we're going to talk about rhythm and fractions and how rhythm and fractions are related. So if you want to join along with me, you can. You can get a piece of paper and a pencil, and let's get started. So at the top here, I'm going to write rhythm. Rhythm. This is a new program for me, and I'm learning how to write on the laptop, so I'm going to be writing kind of slow today. Rhythm, and today actually we're going to make a rhythm. We're going to make a rhythm tree. Rhythm tree. And the rhythm tree, well, you guessed it, it's going to be shaped like a tree. On the very top, we're going to have this note here. Just one whole note, and now this whole note is 4 beats long, so we're going to start with a whole note up top. I'm going to write whole note off to the side. Whole note, whole note. This is a long note, it's a long duration. Off to the side, we're going to make a big pizza here, so I hope you have room here somewhere. It's not very big. Something like that. This is going to be our pizza. It's going to help us visualize some fractions. Okay, whole note. You can split the whole note into 2. I'm going to change colors here to blue. You can change colors too if you want. This whole note can consist of 2 half notes. And a half note is an empty circle with a line coming out like this. Half note. 2 half notes. And a half note. That's a big H. That's supposed to be an H. I'll make that look more like an H. A half note are 2 beats long. 1 half note is 2 beats long. Half note, half note, half, N-O-T. So when you think about your whole pizza here, and it was 4 beats long, the whole note is 4 beats long. I'll write that down actually. I'll write that down. Whole note. It's 4 beats. I'm just going to write 4 right there. And a half note is 2 beats long. So, back over here at your pizza, we're going to split that in half. Now, here are 2 beats, and here are 2 beats. To visualize the fraction, we have that pizza here. So 2 beats here, 2 beats here. And to write the fraction, 2 over 4. 2 is half of 4. So it's 2 beats out of 4. 2 beats here, 2 beats here. Okay. Now the half note is split up into 2 notes. The half note is split up into 2 notes, and these are a filled-in circle with a line. Filled-in circle with a line. Filled-in circle with a line. This one is also okay. That's a really messy note there. I'm sure your recorder notes are looking a lot better than mine. Hopefully. Okay. Fix that. Be a little better. Okay. These are quarter notes. Quarter notes. So we're going to write quarter notes off to the side. Q-U-A-R-T. Q-U-E-R-Q-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter notes. T-E. Okay. I feel like I'm writing for the first time. Well, you can think of quarter notes, like quarters, because it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters to make a whole dollar. That's why they're called quarter notes. And I have 4 of them, so let's split this pizza into 4. So we got this here, that quarter note. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 slices now in our pizza. And 1 quarter note. I want to shade this in. You can shade this in too. I'm going to shade that in. And 1 quarter note. One of these out of 4. So 1 of these out of 4 is our fraction. 1 out of 4. I hope you guys aren't hearing this this lawnmower outside or whatever on a Saturday, cutting grass on a Saturday morning. Okay. Let's keep going. Now this quarter note is also split up into 2 notes. And this quarter note is split up into something that looks like this. Something that looks like that. And every quarter note is split up to something that looks like that. These look like headphones. I let kindergarten and 1st grade draw these in my room, and they like to use them as eyes or a head when they make a person out of them, a rhythm person. It's one of my stations. I really miss doing those in my room. Stations were a lot of fun. Just for an example, what the kids would draw, just an example, they would draw something like this. It was just a lot of fun. They loved it. So that would be like the eyes and the heads, a little smiley face, and had a quarter-vest body with these as arms. And maybe I can make this an assignment for you to do at home. Yeah, you can make a little rhythm person here. I like to give this my hair. I don't know, maybe he's riding a skateboard or something, I don't know. So, okay, anyway. I hope I didn't mess anything up. I'm going to undo all that. I'm going to undo all that. Okay. So these quarter notes are split up into 2 eighth notes. Each of these are 2 eighth notes. These are 2 eighth notes. That's 2 eighth notes. That's 2 eighth notes, and that's 2 eighth notes. So off to the side, we're going to write eighth. That's a weird E. We're going to write eighth notes. Eighth. Whenever you have a number with the TH at the end, a lot of times it means it's smaller than 1. Just a little, I don't know, just a little factoid. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eighth notes. And back here at our pizza, we can split every quarter into 2, just like we did with our notes. Just like we did with our notes here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 notes, 8 slices. And one of these slices here, the fraction is 1 out of 8. Okay. Hey, let's keep going. Why not? I'm having lots of fun. Let's keep going. We can make this even smaller. I don't usually teach this note. I'm looking for a color here. I'm looking for a new color. I don't usually teach this note, but we're going to go even smaller. We're going to make even smaller slices. Every one of these gets split up 2, but when we write them, we group them in 4 actually. So actually, I'm going to do it like that. Why not? I'm going to go ahead and make my branches of the tree here. Make my little branches. Okay. So when I draw this note, I start with a wide kind of 8th note here. And I'll make them wide so I have room to write 2 more. Draw 2 more circles here. Okay. Then I'll draw the second line here. Okay. Those are supposed to be over here. Same thing for this one. It's like a wide 8th note with 2 more in the middle and 2 lines going across. Okay, this one's a little skinnier. Yeah, you've probably seen these in my room, although I don't usually talk about them. Okay, that's one. All right. So these are, well, let's count them first. You can probably see where this is going. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. So you have 16 of these. That's why these are called 16th. 16th. 16th notes. There we go. Back here at our rhythm pizza that we made, we're going to split every 8th in half. Because that's essentially what we did with our rhythm. I hope this is helping to visualize how many slices now we have. Might be a little hard to count. Let's see if I did this right. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, great. I did do this right. We have 16 slices, and these are really small slices. These are really small notes. So every one of these are really fast. I'm going to pause it right here, and we'll pick up later. Thank you guys so very much for following along.